Hey.
You started the CI very well, and then in the last part, how did you go?
Yeah, maybe I went too deep in the first part, I don't know, but I didn't find the right rhythm and I was a little bit scared of the last kick. So yeah, there alongside the river I lost some important seconds. And maybe it was also a little bit stronger wind just in the end, but I felt good. It's good result for me, and first day is over, and looking forward for the next days.
The thing is that you had good legs, right?
Yeah, that's the important thing, to have good legs, to feel good, and to be in this beautiful Basque country.
5 more chances to go. Which one do you like the most?
I think the last day is the most brutal day. Probably, we will see. I think it's going to be really brutal, and also tomorrow is already a hard one, and really looking forward for these hard stages. Thanks.